Hey guys, my name is CoBuystedt. I'm working at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. I'm here to show you one of my personal favorite products. This is the Alliance Paradigm 295 MK. So this is super awesome. It's a full-size fifth wheel. You're gonna get a full-size front cap. So what that means is this part right here is gonna be about the biggest they get. So that's gonna be an awesome bedroom for your ceiling height. They're gonna get the closet kind of laid out in a way that I'll show you later that makes a lot of sense. You have three different size front caps. You have a small, middle, and full. Like I said, this is full. Your ceiling height is gonna stay a little more consistent too throughout the whole rig, especially the back. So that's something to notice about it. That's kind of the caliper of what this is. So I'll show you right here in the front. We got some bays going on here. If you notice, we got kind of the better jacks right there in the front. A lot of time in a fifth wheel, you'll see some brands will cut corners. They'll try to get some more electric style jacks there. So that's awesome because they extend longer with still good stability and better torque. Now right here we got our propane spot. We got two propanes. Don't let the one fool you, it's on the other side. This is a bay that's big enough to upgrade to a bigger bottle if you want to. So that's super nice. Sometimes you'll buy an RV and they just don't give you the space to upgrade if you wanted to. So now you have an option. Got our two speakers right there for the exterior, so that's where those will be. Now here's your through storage bay. So one of the benefits to this is the door. One of the benefits to this is that our tanks have been moved into a different location on the chassis. So what that provides us is a lot thinner of a spot right here, giving you a way bigger storage bay. I like to call this a drop frame because just customers tend to call it that. It's not technically the right name for it. There actually is no name for it. It's just the tanks have been moved to a better spot to maximize your storage. That click is fantastic, by the way. So some rigs are still doing the twisty guys on the main bays, the more common ones. This guy is the slam latch. It's a metal connection, not the plastic slam latch. It's gonna last forever and it gives you that nice motorhome feel. And you get a nice key lock right there. It's a simple setup. They don't ever really break. Now right here we got the solid steps and the extended handle, okay? Now I can, mom and dad or grandma, grandpa, whatever, can get to that first step without reaching way up to the handle up there. That's like, I don't want my parents doing that. So that's nice. So coming right on into the inside of the rig. This right here, actually, let me back up and show you this. This is a shock system. This is gonna bear all the weight of the step. So I always tell people when I show them this, feel how heavy that step is, because then they expect this really heavy thing. Well, that should have been pinned in, but you get the point. It takes all of the weight for you. I actually have to push it down if I want to get it down. That's really nice. So they're not heavy. People get concerned of the weight because they're so solid and beefy and stuff. That's a nice upgrade to have in a nicer rig. So this is our layout here, right on the inside of the fifth wheel. So notice the ceiling height is still really, really tall. We get the taller slide outs because of it. This is also full width right here, the deeper slide outs with it. So we don't feel like we're in that hallway that these tend to feel like sometimes. It's not always a nice box, okay? So right here we have our solid surface countertops. Look at this little sticker right here. It says shut off valves at every single water source. So what that means is typically in like a lower end fifth wheel, if this gets a leak, I have to shut off the water, right? So I'm gonna go outside, go off to that driver's side bay, go inside, back out some screws to get in there. This one doesn't have screws. That's nice. You shut off the water globally to the whole entire fifth wheel. Then you don't have your bathroom. You don't have your like toilet flush, all that stuff doesn't have, you don't have that. Here, if I get a leak here, I can shut it off here until I fix it and everything else works. So if you want to shut off the water, it's at the source, like obviously it'd be under this cabinet. Not anybody really does that. That's a huge benefit. Now they've got the insignia right here. some countertop space right here. This is a super big upgrade. It's that residential feeling. You can actually cook a turkey in them. This is the only, cooktop and oven that actually allows you to do that. A couple brands are stocking with this now. It's a very popular item, becoming more of a need. Right here, you get that residential sized microwave. This is that layout right here. Let me show you the bedroom really quick so you get a chance to see it. This is the bathroom setup. Okay, you notice we have 2 doors to get into the bathroom. You can access it from your bedroom. Now right onto here is your king bed. Okay, here's your dresser and your closet. Notice the ceiling height and how they did the closet in the front here. You get a slide out for your mattress. Makes this a really good fifth wheel, really good utilization of space for the size. If you have any other questions about this rig or if you want to see it, you can give me a call, CoBuystedt, at 541-735-1535. Like and subscribe. Thank you.